Camera installation. Let's now view the camera installation process. To begin with the installation, splice Cat6 cable at the camera end. Here, use 2 pair of cables for power. Twist orange pair for positive, blue pair for negative. One camera needs to be installed to view the main entry and cache disk. Install another camera for viewing high value storage at height of 2300 mm from FFL. Next, open the camera stand from base and install it on walls with screws. And then connect the stand followed by camera on it. Thereafter, connect DC power jack and one C86 cable after crimping with RJ45 jack to LAN port of the camera for video. Then connect other end of the camera video C86 cable in home gateway LAN port, LAN 1 and 2 for camera 1 and 2 after crimping with RJ45 jack. To adjust camera view, first loosen the knob of camera stand, then pan and tilt the camera. After proper positioning, fasten the knob. Please refer quick installation guide which comes with camera box.